Hi, today I'm for Blade A71 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while our device screen and then click here to shortcuts. After that, we'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. We can add the full menu or the schedule, and just to add the widget, we should just hold it and then just drag it to our screen. We can create the new screens with the widget. We can also move it between the screens. As you can see, that's so simple. Just hold and drag it. Also, we can resize the widget. Just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to remove it from your home screen, you should just hold it and drag it here to the left upper corner to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.